Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a fun video for you guys today. I am showing you guys how I do my gel nails here at home. I have not been to a nail salon in a really long time and I am not planning on going anytime soon, but I just wanted to share with you guys how I do my nails at home, and honestly I have really been liking how I've been doing my nails. So I already prepped my nails and everything like that and buffed them, and now I'm just taking some base coat and I'm using some gel polishes that I purchased from Amazon, and I'll make sure that I'll have them linked in the description box for you guys in case you want to check them out. So I'm just applying the base coat like I said, and I'm going to be curing it in my lamp for about 45 seconds. My lamp goes by 30-second increments, so I don't have a 45-second button. I just have to kind of eyeball it. So I'm going to be doing that for about 45 seconds, and now I'm doing the other hand, and I am not left-handed, so this hand always takes me a minute. Okay, so once I'm done with the base coat, I'm going to be applying one layer of the white gel polish, and all of the polishes that I'm using are the same brand. I really like this brand. Like I said, it's from Amazon. So I'm just going to be applying a thin coat to all of my nails and curing it in the lamp for about 60 seconds. Okay, so moving on to my right hand, like I said, I am not left-handed, so this side does take me a little bit longer, but I just try to take my time and kind of have a steady hand so I don't make any mistakes. Although I'm not perfect, so I do make some mistakes, but I try to not paint, on the sides of my nails.
keep on moving through the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember?
Okay, so in total I did 3 coats on each hand, and I just prefer doing 3. You can just do 2 if you wanted to. This gel polish does hold up with just 2 layers, but I wanted to do 3 coats, so that is what I did. And here I'm just adding the top coat, and I really like the top coat because it makes my nails super shiny, but I'm just applying that to my nails, and I cure the top coat for 60 seconds in the lamp.
Looking back at the good times before it all went down. Climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But I know you're my liability. Yeah, I know you're my
Okay guys, so this is the final look, and this is how my nails turned out. I really like the way that they look. I like the more natural look. And that is going to be it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all very soon in my next video.
But